Can you say wow, 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 whoa, wow, wow? You guys, ciao a tutti. I am now in this luxurious hotel. Obviously, I can't afford it, so I'm not staying here. But all you gotta do is walk in with purpose, dress to impress, act like you know where you're going, and look at me using their bathrooms. Pro tip. All right, we're still here on our gondola count. We're on gondola number 5 today. Right there. That's probably 8, 9, 10. Oh, I just forgot how to count. Yay!
Maybe caught up in the storm, and I sent you off so incomplete. Now your lonely call is haunting me.
So this is what happens when 2 Italians get married. We drink 25 glasses of Prosecco even before dinner starts.
We've already eaten so much and we haven't even had the main course.
Come over the world.
Yeah. But we're in Italy. She said grazie, which means thank you. 10 points.
Grazie!
All over the
This is what happens. We want to be adventurous, not do the, oh, just go ahead and take the normal public transportation. No, my family wants to rent a boat, just go out in the, and we're going against traffic. Literally going against traffic. So we are currently at the original Cipriani's, and what did I get? Thanks to my dad, obviously, because I don't have any connections. A signed book.